everyone, it's Chris. So today I received in the post the new Wild Boy Transkit for the Revell Ford Mustang Fastback from MGSF. Let's have a quick look and see what we've got in there. So this will be the next one I build, and this will be my first sort of video build coming through. First of all, got the assembly. And we got wheels. It's nice that all bags are labelled up A, B, C, explaining what bits are what. So that's all body parts. All the suspension and brakes. Got interior and exhaust parts. So on your lights, your seat belts. And the last bag, got body set 2 and the sports seats. Let's have a look at a few of the parts. So first up, we got B2 GS seats. Seats really nicely printed. Nice bit of detail. Just be a case of cleaning up the sports. So we've got the bonnet scoop or the head scoop. Nice louver for the rear windows. Cherry bumper. As you can see, it's really nice printing on there. Can't see many layer lines, if any. So as we get on, we'll get some primer on, that'll sort of bring more up, but I don't think there'll be much there. Yeah, we've got mirrors and the rear spoiler as well. And then lastly in that bag, 2 grills, and then your front part between the grills. Alright, bag B1. That's your sides. Again, printing's really nice. Like, to the eye at the moment, I can't see much of any lines. And you got your front end. Right, bag C. Get your 4 disc brakes. And calipers. I've got 2 different sizes as well, so there'll be front and rear calipers. And then there's your suspension mount parts. Bag D, we've got steering wheel, part your centre console, and door handles, or your window winders, and then your exhausts. Bag A, here's your wheels and tyres. Tyres are all nicely printed, and also, I mean, you've got tyre brands, the Toyo tyres printed on there. Tread's nice on them. I really can't fault the the printing from MGSF. Yeah, 4 tyres there. I think they're a slightly different size as well, so I think it looks like the rears are going to be wider than the fronts. Same with your wheels. The wheels are nicely printed. Holes for your tyre valves. Got your alloy wheel name on there as well. And if you look just down here, also supplies the tyre stems as well, which is quite nice. Yeah, I'd say by the looks of it, just a slight difference in size between the fronts and the rears. And then last up, baggie. So in this one you've got your your Wild Boy badges, your GTs, your Ford Mustang, and then seatbelt parts as well. And in this one, it's your headlights and then your fog lights for the front. You've got your rear light bar. And you've also got clear resin, so your 6 rear lights, 2 fogs and your fronts. So a little bit of colour paint. And they will look quite nice. And then your instructions. Right, and then the instructions. Same out for this one. So your build guide, and then it explains here which parts you need to use on the kit, what you don't. And here you can see where you've got bag A wheels. So it explains your fronts, your rears are slightly wider. You have your lettering on the outside with a fit your tyre valves. It's also nice that he suggests colours. Step 3, bag C, so yeah, you've got your suspension parts there, and it also shows you where to cut. Mount, you need to shorten one of the shock, good to the shocks. Brakes and your calipers. Step 4 is your internals. Interior, so you've got your dash, your centre console, your steering wheel. Tells you how to cut your ribbon, what size to, and then it says about your seats being optional. If you want to use the kit seats or the ones provided. And then body prep. So in blue is the Transkit, and then white is your body, so it's showing you where to cut. And the lines, sorry, excuse the compressor. Show you how to fit everything. It says about gluing your mirrors and your levers. And then the last steps, your exhaust, so your headlights, and your fog lights. Painting your rear lights red. And then your badges, so you've got a choice of badge in the kit, which I didn't see, but you've got Cobra badge where you've got the GT logo, and then how to sort of build it all up. Really looking forward to this one. I built the Shotto Transkit last year for the Honda 600 S800. That was the first time I'd used a Transkit from MGSF, and it went together really well. So this is the kit is going on the Ford Mustang Fastback. Haven't built one before. Looking forward to it. Don't do a lot of American cars. This will be interesting. In addition to that, I'm going to also try and light it up as well. So set of headlights and fog lights and rear lights as well. Yeah, be interesting. It'll be posted up on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll be doing the videos on here. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Should be an interesting build. Thank you very much to MGSF for sending the kit out to me, and I'll keep everyone updated as it's going through. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.